Hey, what's up guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the rear belt molding on a Honda Ridgeline. And the first thing we're going to do is we're going to open the door, and then we're going to come around to the front of the door, and there's a Phillips screw right there. We're going to have to remove that. And then also a Phillips screw on the back side of the door. And then we're just going to open the front door. And we're going to take both hands and we're going to pick up on the front of the molding and kind of roll it out towards us. And then as it starts to come up and you get this gap, then we're going to slide it towards the front of the car. And then when you slide it towards the front, it's just going to pop right off. And that's it, guys. That is how you remove your rear belt molding on the Honda Ridgeline. Thanks for watching.